Nature doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. In this video, witness incredible nature moments caught on camera, from rare wildlife behavior to breathtaking natural events. These clips capture Earth at its most powerful, peaceful, and unpredictable, reminding us why nature will always be the greatest show on Earth. This is what it looks like when a lightning bolt strikes a tree, causing the water inside it to boil. This intense earthquake split the road into two new pathways. Here's a rare phenomenon where sand flows like water in the desert. This occurs when rain soaks into dry dunes too quickly, causing the sand to move like a stream. Strong winds from a super typhoon shake a hanging bridge in Cameligan. The scorpionfish, while camouflaging, also creates the illusion of a large predator's face to fend off threats. So this is what it looks like when red-hot lava meets a freezing zone, creating a spectacular scene. Here's a ribbon worm. When threatened or dying, it may expel its proboscis, sometimes leaving it behind for a potential predator. Whatever that is, I would never drive my car through that. Volcanoes can be unpredictable and dangerous. Here you can see lava engulfing a massive area within seconds, so stay away from lava for safety. Billions of spider crabs gathered in Port Phillip Bay for mating season, creating a spectacular natural scene. Many spiders decided to invade the plants and wove webs all around them. Due to strong winds from beneath, the water is blown upward, seemingly defying gravity. This guy captured a unique moment where the influence of wind and freezing water created ice with a unique shape around the reefs. So this is how a sea cucumber feasts on its meal. The fire ants were definitely flexing their skills by creating a living bridge with their own bodies to cross the water. Thousands of velella, or little sails, have washed up on Spain's beaches. These harmless, jellyfish-like creatures drift ashore with the wind. This guy found an oversaturated, bouncy bog ground and started jumping on it. In Mexico, thousands of mobula rays migrate each year to breed in warm waters, creating a mesmerizing view. If your home is right in the path of a flash flood, good luck, because nothing is going to stop it.
I don't know how we're going to get out of here.
Here's a fire tornado, which is a rare sight. These fiery vortices can reach temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ya nada más.
Whenever you see fur-like material on trees, don't touch it, because it could be thousands of spiders.
Y así son millones y millones.
Asperitas clouds, one of the rarest cloud formations, were recently caught on camera in Canada. Imagine waking up to see every tree in your neighborhood uprooted due to strong winds. This footage shows the moment a car goes through a deadly Tennessee tornado, but they managed to make it out safely. The Sea of Galilee has turned red, and scientists believe it's due to a harmless algae that is causing the discoloration. So this looks like a beautiful snowfall, but it turns out to be an invasion of mayflies. The building stood no chance against this landslide, causing it to tumble. So this is what ice tsunamis look like, where ice washes up the shore like water waves. It's definitely the worst feeling when a strong wind makes your house fly. This guy was on a very important mission. Important enough to risk his life, I guess. When power lines meet a flash flood, chaos unfolds, so it's best to keep a safe distance. After a long drought, water finally seeps in to quench the thirst. Have you guys ever seen a bent rainbow? This rare sight occurs when light refracts in cold air. Strong rain caused an intense flash flood that swept through the neighborhood with force and debris. You are witnessing the eruption of the Wandan Mud Volcano in southern Taiwan. This geological event is a natural spectacle that occurs when hot water mixes with fine sediment and gas, forcing mud to the surface. You are looking at a swirling sinkhole that is pulling in and swallowing everything in its path. A large hillside landslide destroyed the Hongqi Bridge in China. Traffic was closed before the disaster, so no one was harmed. After such a large meal, the python will find a safe place to hide and digest, a process that can take several weeks to months. Have you guys ever seen a waterfall popping out of rocks like this? Flash floods can be unpredictable. Here we can see one flooding these rocks within seconds. This ship sailing in the Arctic region definitely looks like it's flying above the skies. Here's the aerial footage of lava entering Kapoho Bay, creating dramatic steam clouds. Here we're seeing a perfect example of survival of the fittest, where this papaya tree grew on a garbage truck. This thick ice didn't stand a chance in front of a bowhead whale when it popped up to get some air. This bus quickly became a submerged boat when floodwater overwhelmed the city's drainage system. Have you guys ever seen a fountain popping out of a rock? Well, here you go. These are garden eels, which live in colonies and stay buried beneath the sand to hide from predators. This is what happens when a tornado collides with power lines, so stay safe during tornadoes.
Dude, watch the road.
These sea lions knew exactly what to do during the earthquake to stay safe. They dove deep into the water. Do you guys know that African rock pythons can climb trees? That ability helps them ambush prey and stay safe from threats. Natural oil suddenly starts gushing out in the middle of the desert. This looks like some light refraction or reflection phenomenon, but it really does look like a portal to another dimension. This neighborhood was hit by a microburst, uprooting every tree in the area. The barrel-eye fish is a rare deep-sea fish with a transparent dome-shaped head that protects its upward-pointing green eyes. Nature decided to show off its own fireworks that day. Which one is more beautiful? Mention it in the comments.
Awesome. Although it's scary.
It's really hard to ride a boat when waves are everywhere non-stop. When you have antlers like these, finding a mate in the wild becomes an easy job. It's definitely satisfying to watch when two waves collide. Here's an eruption of the Wandan mud volcano in southern Taiwan, where mud and flames spewed out, reaching heights of up to 2 meters. At Hangzhou Bay, the rise and fall of the tides naturally form forest-like patterns on the mudflats, also known as tidal trees. Here's a satisfying view of flamingos smoothly gliding across a lake. When you have long horns, scratching your back becomes really easy, I'd say. Here's a rare natural phenomenon where the desert meets the sea. A massive sinkhole opened near a hospital in Thailand, swallowing the road in seconds. But thankfully, no one was hurt. Have you guys ever seen a stream of snow flowing down a mountain like lava? It's a rare sight caught in Austria. A lightning bolt striking right on top of your home. Now that's a worst nightmare. Due to unexpected strong winds, powerful waves formed and caused intense damage in the harbor. Have you guys ever seen a lightning bolt like this? So when you're underwater and see sand being shaken up, it means you're experiencing an underwater earthquake, so be prepared. Have you guys ever seen the inside of a 1,000-year-old tree? A hollow trunk often forms when liana vines grow around and eventually kill the original tree, which then rots away. So this is how mushrooms and fungi release their spores for reproduction, spreading them through the air to different places. Severe heavy rainfall in Sri Lanka caused the dams to exceed their limits. Don't click away just yet. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And wait, there are more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one you like and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.